Periodic maintenance for engine. Check fuel level, engine oil level, coolant level, cleanliness of radiator surface, tightness of alternator belt before starting the engine every day. The engine oil and filter need to be replaced after 50 hours of new engine operation and replaced the engine oil every 250 hours thereafter. The engine oil capacity is 11 liters. If the ambient temperature is -20 degrees to 40 degrees, it is recommended to use SAE 15W40 engine oil. If the ambient temperature is lower than -20 degrees, it is recommended to use SAE 5W20 engine oil. The fuel filter should be replaced every 500 hours. Drain the water from the bottom of the fuel filter every day before work. The capacity of the fuel tank is 151 liters. Air filter. Take out the external air filter element and clean it from inside to outside with high-pressure air every week, and check whether the filter element is damaged. If necessary, please replace the filter element in time. Please note that the inner air filter can only be replaced with a new one, not cleaned. It requires shorter maintenance intervals if the machine working in dusty environments. After cleaned and used for 3 to 5 times, the external air filter needs to be replaced at the same time. Coolant. Check the liquid level of the coolant level of the radiator every week. The coolant shall be replaced every 2000 hours. Note that the coolant of the same model shall be used and shall not be mixed. The coolant capacity of Weichai engine is 17.5 liters, and that of Cummins engine is 19 liters. Periodic maintenance for hydraulic system. Check the hydraulic oil level every 50 hours. The capacity of the hydraulic oil tank is 60 liters. Replace the hydraulic oil and hydraulic oil filter element every 1000 hours. Hydraulic oil with viscosity grade 46 is recommended for ambient temperatures ranging from -20 degrees to 35 degrees. Hydraulic oil with viscosity grade 68 is recommended for ambient temperatures ranging from -10 degrees to 40 degrees. Periodic maintenance for transmission system. The transmission oil tank capacity is 18.5 liters. Mobile 424 oil is recommended. Check the transmission oil level every week. Replace the transmission oil inlet filter element and oil return filter element every 1000 hours. Clean the transmission breather every 1000 hours. Periodic maintenance for front drive axle. The capacity of oil in the main drive is 6 liters. The capacity of oil on each wheel side is 0.8 liters. Mobile 424 oil is recommended. Check the oil level and clean the breather every 250 hours. Replace the drive axle oil every 1000 hours. Periodic maintenance for rear drive axle. The capacity of oil in the main drive is 14 liters. The capacity of oil on each wheel side is 1.5 liters. Mobile 424 oil is recommended. Check the oil level and clean the breather every 250 hours. Replace the drive axle oil every 1000 hours. Continuous use of the service brake may cause oil temperature increase in the rear drive axle. When the rear axle oil temperature reaches 152 degrees Celsius, the rear axle oil temperature alarm lamp will turn on. If the warning light is on all the time, please shift into low gear to drive or stop and wait for the oil temperature to drop. Periodic maintenance for air conditioner system. Every 1000 hours, remove the cover plate, take out the air conditioner filter element and wash it with water. Filling of lubrication grease. The pin shafts of the working attachment and the main pin of front drive axle shall be filled with grease every 50 hours. Distribution of lubrication points. Loading device 18 points, digging device 20 points, outrigger 8 point. Front drive axle 4 point. Front drive shaft 3 point. Rear drive shaft 3 point.